Welcome back to Square One Kitchen. Today we are making French dressing. A bottle of this would be about $4 to $5 in the supermarket. It only takes about 2 minutes to make. It takes as long to make it as watching the video. We're using red wine vinegar, but you can use any acid like lemon juice or rice vinegar. You want to have a ratio of 1 part acid to 3 parts oil.
We put in 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt and pepper, but you can adjust it to your taste.
The mustard helps emulsify it. Don't ask me how. It's optional if you want to add some herbs, you don't have to. We are adding some tarragon today for a special French taste. Add everything into the jar except for the olive oil. We're adding the oil now, but it would be better to get the immersion blender in there first. Immersion blender in there first before the oil so it can get under the oil. The immersion blender will pull a stream of oil through, or you can trickle it in while you're blending. You're going to want to blend that for about 15 to 30 seconds and just get it nice and blended. If you don't have an immersion blender, you can just put a lid on it and shake it vigorously, which is also how you revive it after storing it in the fridge. And voila, there's your dressing. Wrap that on any salad. Now for this, it is, as I was saying, you can buy it in the store, but it's much nicer to serve stuff to your friends and family and be like, I made that. Bon appetit. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. And also, if you have time, suggest this to your friends.